In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks to help you feel calmer this Christmas. Hello and welcome back, Health Puzzlers, for another video from the Health Puzzle. And if you're new here, then welcome. While Christmas is often associated with feelings of joy, excitement and togetherness, it can also be a time of increased stress and overwhelm. This Christmas, it is essential to prioritise your health and well-being so that you do not enter the new year feeling exhausted and overwhelmed. Set realistic expectations. We might like to take part in lots of festive activities, visit everyone that we've ever known and wrap all of our presents perfectly with pretty bows. But often we do not take a step back to work out what is actually achievable. This Christmas, make a list of all the tasks and activities that you would like to do. Then go back through the list and highlight all of the things on that list that you really want to do or you have to do. Next, have a look at your diary and work out how you are going to fit in all of the essential tasks and activities. Finally, take another look at your plans and double check that you have not jam-packed your holiday with so many tasks and activities that you're going to burn yourself out. By starting the Christmas holidays with a clear plan and time set aside for rest and relaxation, it is a great way to feel calmer this Christmas. Delegate and share responsibilities. Most people are unable to read minds and are blissfully unaware that you might need some assistance. It can take some practice asking for help if you're not used to doing it. And the Christmas holidays is the perfect time to start. If you do not have a friend or family member you can ask for support, consider looking for a local service such as a gift wrapping service. Or tell your loved ones that you're going to do things differently this year. For example, buying a pre-prepared turkey or giving just one Christmas present to every person. This reduces the amount of shopping and the amount of wrapping that you have to do. Limit your screen time. While seeing what other people have been up to or watching your favourite box set might be tempting, don't forget to spend some time in reality this Christmas. Watching the highlight reel of other people experiencing the best Christmas ever can bring up a lot of negative emotions, and seeing endless adverts can further exacerbate this stress and anxiety. Instead, consider a walk in nature, take a lovely warm bath, play a board game or visit a friend or family member and enjoy being in their company for a while. Me time. It can be so easy to get caught up in taking care of other people and cramming in as many tasks and activities as possible. But don't forget to take care of yourself this Christmas. Unfortunately, no one is going to tell you, right, it's time you have some me time now. You have to take responsibility for yourself. And while you might not be able to have a 60-minute bubble bath, hopefully you can find 5 minutes to do some stretching, look out of the window, read 3 pages of your new book or have a lovely herbal tea. Deep breathing. Breathing techniques can be a very powerful tool to help us feel calm and more in control. There are 2 techniques that I'm going to share with you today. The first technique is called box breathing and can be used during the holidays when you feel any sudden or strong emotions like stress or irritation. The second breathing technique is called 4-7-8 breathing and can be used during times when you would like to more deeply relax, such as before bed or while sat on a bench in the park. Box breathing. Place one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. During this time, allow your body and mind a moment of stillness. Then exhale slowly through the mouth for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blowing away all negative emotion and feelings of tension within the body. And then hold your breath again, pausing for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Having a moment of stillness again before taking your next inhale through the nose. Repeat this cycle 3 times or continue for a few minutes until you regain a sense of calm and control. 4-7-8 breathing. Sit or lie comfortably and put one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest. Close your eyes and inhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then slowly exhale for a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can repeat that 3 times or continue on for a few minutes until you feel more calm. It may take a bit of practice when you are first getting started, and you might like to begin with a count of 4 in, hold for 5 and breathe out for 6. When you're practicing breathing techniques, be sure to draw breath into your belly first, as if you are blowing up a balloon, before breathing into the diaphragm and chest. I hope that you'll be able to use some of these tips and tricks to help you feel calmer this Christmas. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and view our website, thehealthpuzzle.co.uk, for more information. The Health Puzzle and I wish you a calm and more relaxing Christmas.